This vlog is about Banasura Dam.
Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Leah and Fadwa vlogs. So today I'm so excited to show you all my Wayanad vlog. So first we are going to Banasura Dam. In the between we saw Wayanad waterfall, so we had stopped here. It's a beautiful scenery. Wayanad is the most beautiful place in Kerala. You must visit if you come to Kerala. Okay. It is a one-day trip. You must watch till the end. And now we are going near our cousin's house. Oh, there are so many monkeys here. We are giving banana chips to the monkeys. The monkey's family is here. They are looking so nice. And now we reached their house and we are enjoying here. Aisha is doing skating. This is the side view of their house. There are so many woods. So we are playing here. There is also one swing here. We are enjoying a lot. Are you all enjoying this video? Then go and hit a like to this video. Wayanad is a full of greenery place and that is so beautiful place. Now Aisha and Mohammed is swinging. And after this we are going to the Banasura Dam. Now we reached Banasura Dam. So this is the inside view of Banasura Dam. The dam is really very big. Full name of this dam is Banasura Sagar Dam. Banasura Sagar Dam is located 21 kilometers from Kalpetta in Wayanad district of Kerala in the Western Ghats. It is the largest earthen dam in India and the second largest in Asia and a starting point of hikes into the surroundings mountain. It is an important tourist attraction. You must visit this place. We are enjoying very much. The reservoir at the dam is sure to catch your attention with this scenic beauty. The best season to visit the dam is from November. And we are a little bit late to this dam, so we could not cover up the whole dam. There are so many things to enjoy for adults and kids also in this dam. So many play zones are also there here. Also adventurous games are also there here. So there you can see that there is a zip line. I was a little bit late here, so I could not go in the zip line. Now we are going to ride boat ride. This is the way to the boating place. Here there is also horse riding and many things. We are on the way for boat riding and I am really very excited for boat riding. Now we are going to speedboat. Everything has different fees. There are many types of boats here. If you want, you can go in the houseboat. And now me and my father is in the speedboat. It is a different experience in my life. Wow, I'm really very enjoying in this place. We are going to another boat riding, that is kayaking boat riding. Can you see there a circle boat? There are many different kinds of water riding here. And now we are going to the kayaking boat riding because we are family, right? So we thought we all will enjoy one ride. And we didn't go to the houseboat because we had already visited the houseboat. Now let's enjoy this view in this kayaking boat. It is a different Kerala style all type boat. Aisha and Mohammed is also enjoying a lot. They had also given us the life jacket. Mohammed is playing with his paper boat and he's enjoying a lot. The other side of it is fully forest. After the riding, we went to the play area and Mohammed is going inside a balloon. It's a big air balloon. It is under 10 years. Now Aisha is also going to that ride. I could not go in that ride because I am not 10 years, right? It should be under 10 years. They are enjoying very much. Are you also enjoying? Just comment me that which part did you like the most in the comment section. I love reading your all's comment. Now Mohammed had get down from it. Aisha is still in their balloon. Now I am in the swing. There are so many swing here, and for adults also it is there. Now Aisha and Mohammed is in the boat, small boat for kids. There are so many water riding things here. After this we are going to the 3D ride. And now we are in a resort.
Pikachu? അതിന്റെ പേരെങ്ങനെയാ?
At night times we can't travel because that is a forest area, right? So at the night time we stayed in this resort, and the resort is also really very nice. This was a one-day trip and I was really enjoying. And this is the second day which we were in the resort. There is hut also here, a small hut. And in the next video, from here I am going to the Nandi Hill. So in the next video I am going to show you my Nandi Hill vlog.
So friends, this was our today's video. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe.
And also ring the notification bell for new videos. And wait for our next video. Okay, bye. We meet you in the next video.